Alright, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be on a pellet review I did for wood burning pellets that you would want to burn in your wood pellet stove. I tested 6 different pellets. First I'm going to go over how I set my pellet stove up. Sorry, I keep looking to the right because my pellet stove is right there. You can't see it, but I set my Harman P68 on a stove temperature mode. And after the pellets got lit, I put it in manual. And I burn it pretty much as slow as I could possibly burn it. I don't know if that was the best way to do it, but if I would have burned it as fast as it burnt, my house would have been 90 degrees every day and my wife would have killed me. So I burn it slow and at the same temperature for all 6, as close as I could get. And 2 hours into the burn, I took this infrared thermometer and I checked the door, the same spot on the door for all 6, and for all 6 they burnt right around about 236 degrees, give or take a few degrees lower or higher. So I know they were all burning really close to the same temperature 2 hours into it. I did not touch the burn pot for each one, so you're gonna see a picture of that burn pot, what the ashes look like in that after I burnt 60 pounds for each one of these. And you're going to see throughout this whole video, you'll see the weight of the ashes on the right side of your screen, and on the left side of your screen you're going to see a picture of what the pellets look like. Yeah, thanks for watching this video too, and please hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up. And one more thing, at the end of this video, it might take me another day or two, but if you're watching this video like months from now, it should be up here. But I'm going to try to do one more thing. I'm going to try, so you may not see it, but I'm going to put all 6 of these pellets in cans, some soda cans, and I'm going to try to light all 6 at the same time just to let these burn in the soda cans. I've already tried this a couple times with my pellets that I burn all the time, and I can do it. They burn a lot slower, and they're definitely not easy to light. But I'm going to try to burn all 6 of them, and I'm going to do a time lapse to see which ones burn the longest, to see if it's as good as the orders I'm going to give you. But look out for that video too. That should be a pretty quick video. Okay, coming in at 6th place was these Lignetics. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Put in the comments if anybody's ever burnt these pellets, because I thought these pellets sucked. These were the only ones, unless something happened to my stove, but I come home from work and they were shut off, so I had to start all over. So that slowed down this review. But these pellets came in at 27 hours and 13 minutes. And the weight was 79 grams. This is what it looks like after the Lignetics wood pellets, the ones that are in the white bag, after burning 60 pounds of pellets. Pretty built up. Lignetics, or however you say it, the ones that are from Lowe's, had the most carbon buildup in my burn pot. Coming in at 5th place were New England wood pellets. These weren't that great either. Seemed really dirty. The burn time on my New England wood pellets came in at 28 hours and 58 minutes. And the weight of the ashes was 83 grams. Just got done burning New England wood pellets. This is what the burn pot looked like after the New Englands. And coming in at number 4 were these Green Supreme. I bought these at Lowe's. I'm sure you've seen these at Lowe's, so they definitely weren't the worst, but they weren't that great either. They came in at, for burning 60 pounds, 29 hours and 5 minutes. And the weight of the the weight of the ashes right here was 105 grams.
Jeez.
This is what the burn pot looks like after the Lignetics or Lignetics or however you say it that I bought from Lowe's. That is definitely the worst looking burn pot yet. It's not real hard, but
It looks like crap.
now these last three were my favorite ones. They all burnt pretty well. These Energex, these were pretty good burning pellets. The Energex came in at 29 hours and 34 minutes for 60 pounds of pellets. And the weight of the ashes was 88 grams. Energex. This is what the burn pot looked like in the Energex when I was done. And coming in at number 2, which is what I've been burning for years, so I guess they weren't too bad of pellets, are Barefoot. The Barefoot burnt for 30 hours and 28 minutes. Actually, that burnt the longest. So even though I put that at number 2, and you'll see why here at the end. And the weight of the ashes was 71 grams for the 60 pounds that I burnt. This is what the burn pot looked like after burning Barefoot pellets. Coming in at number 1, I was really happy with these pellets. My Turman. I don't know if anybody's ever burnt these, but these were real nice pellets. And I think even when I bought them, they told me that people have been telling them they don't get that much ash. This is why I put this for number 1, because the burn time wasn't huge difference. The burn time for the Turman was 29 hours and 53 minutes, so it was off by about a half an hour from the Barefoot. Now, I could probably burn six bags of these same pellets again and maybe get a little bit different burn times. I did my best to clean the stove real nice after each burn, or that would have definitely made a difference. This is why I put the Turman in at number 1, because the weight of the Turman was 71 grams. That's how much ashes I got out of the Turman. Well, you can see them up here on the left. There was hardly any ashes at all. And the burn pot, you'll see I'm putting the pictures of the burn pot too. This is what the burn pot looks like after burning the Turman pellets. Definitely a little different. Seems like they definitely didn't clump up near as much. Like I said, these are the only ones that actually smell like wood. Well, that's it. Now I'll put a list here on the screen from most favorite down to my least favorite, so you can see that again. And I tried looking up all these. Most of these pellets you can look up online. Just if you type in Turman wood pellets, and you'll be able to find their website and see where you can buy them pellets. I live near Williamsport, PA, right in a smaller town of Hughesville, if anybody knows where that's at. And I bought those Turman pellets in Bloomsburg, and the Barefoot you can buy all over too. I buy them. I can buy them at Kohl's here near me, and I can buy the Barefoot at Ellery now in Mentorsville. The Energex, I can get them in a few different places also. Just look them up online. You'll be able to see where you can buy these pellets. If I get enough views and likes and comments on this video, maybe I'll do another one next year. We'll see. All right, that's about it for my pellet review. I hope somebody got something out of this video. Please give it a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel to help support my channel. Share this video if you can with anybody else you know that burns pellets. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.